Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to remove and replace the sun visors. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2007 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the main reason why I'm replacing this is because when I open this door, this light is supposed to go on. So I've checked the light bulb here, the bulb is good and the light is still not working. So I guess usually there is some wiring here in the wiring connector, and I will take this off to see what's going on, if there is some damage to the wires or things like that. First thing you want to do is getting like a small flat screwdriver, or even better a small plastic trim remover. There's like a small cover here which you have to pry down to access the mounting screw. So try to do it with this. Okay, perfect. And once you open it, I hope you can see it, it's quite sunny outside, there is like a small mounting screw here which you have to remove. Now to remove it you will need a Torx T20, either a screwdriver or a socket and a ratchet. So this is the idea. Okay, so this is the screw, and once you have it off, then you want to detach this side of the sun visor here. Once that is done, now you see on here on the other side, it's really sunny outside, so I can't really see what I'm recording. You have to pull the sun visor towards yourself a bit, like this, and then pull it, actually wiggle it down. Now we'll see what's going on, but you have to be careful. There's supposed to be some wiring here for that light that's not working on my vehicle. Okay, let's see. Okay, and I can see where is my problem. So some wires are supposed to be inside this this connector here, right? And on my vehicle this is broken. Look at this. So somebody was removing this in the past probably, and this got broken, and that's why this light up here is not working in my case. In your case you will have some wiring here, so you have to carefully remove this sun visor and then disconnect this, and then you can completely remove it. Okay, and for me I'll have to figure out where those wires and if there are any. I don't know, there's supposed to be some wires here, but I can't feel them under my finger at all, so who knows what happened here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.